Cycle definition, cycle in a sentence, cycle pronunciation, cycle meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of cycle. Cycle. Cy-cle. Cycle. Cycle as a verb means to follow a regularly repeated sequence. Common usages in academic writing: cycle in and out, cycle through the ages, cycle until the top. Example sentences: cycle, verb. The stock market cycles between booms and crashes. Example sentence number 2. Runners are encouraged to cycle between 2 or 3 pairs of running shoes. Please write a sentence using cycle in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use cycle confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.